is like sort of sticking a little wedge underneath this magnet. So the thing's still chaotic. And if you think of this as a cold winter, so every now and again, who was asking me about the winter? Somebody asked me, oh yeah, Maurice, yeah, the cold winter we had. Well, you see, in such a chaotic system, yeah, these things happen. Occasionally you get cold winters. But you're biasing, now the probability of occurrence of this guy is less than this guy. And the challenge in climate change, yeah, there we are, we had a cold winter, but that was just one of these chaotic fluctuations, which are becoming increasingly less likely. So, what I want to do in the last bit of the talk, and I'm going to stop now because time, is actually show you some predictions of climate change. And they're going to be based on this idea, first of all, that climate is a chaotic system. To compute these changes in the probability of occurrence of different types of weather, we're going to run computer models many, many times. But what we're going to do is vary not only the initial conditions, which are uncertain, but even more importantly, these uncertain bulk formulae. Because this is how the fact that we can't use Navier-Stokes right down to cloud scales because the computers aren't big enough is one of the key uncertainties. And what we do is vary the parameters in these uncertain bulk formulae within these ensembles. So what I'm going to show you is results from running many climate models with slightly different bulk formulae many times. And I'll show you basically this will give us kind of probabilistic forecasts of how temperature will change in the next 100 years, but even more important perhaps how precipitation will change, because things like droughts and floods, particularly in parts of the tropics, are going to be one of the key things for society, and estimates of how extreme changes in climate. So yeah, so the next few slides are actually about results, but I'll leave that I think for tomorrow. So thanks. But don't forget the first bit of the talk I gave, because that's why I came here.